Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's podcast. My name is Laiba, and I am really happy to have you here with me today.
Before we start, I want to ask you something very important. Have you ever looked back and thought, where did my last year go? Or maybe you planned many things, but you did not do them. Maybe you wanted to study more. Maybe you wanted to learn a skill. Maybe you wanted to change your life. But somehow, time passed and nothing really changed.
Today's topic is very serious and very real. Don't waste another year of your life. Because the truth is simple.
Today, 1 year can change everything. But one wasted year can also take you further away from your dreams.
Many people think they have a lot of time. They say, I will start tomorrow, or I will do it next week. But days turn into weeks, and weeks turn into months. And suddenly, another year is gone. And the hardest truth is this: time does not come back. So in today's episode, I am going to talk about how we waste time without realizing it, and how we can take control of our life starting from today. This is not just motivation. This is a reminder for your life. So stay with me and listen carefully, because this one message can really change the way you think about your time. Let's begin. Now let's talk about something very real. Most people do not feel like they are wasting their life. They feel like they are just normal and busy. But if we look closely, we can see the truth. Days feel very small. One day looks simple. You wake up, you eat, you scroll your phone, you talk a little, you sleep, and the day is gone. It feels harmless. It feels like nothing big happened. But when you add many days together, they become weeks, and weeks become months, and months become years. And suddenly, a whole year is gone. Many people cannot even remember what they did in the last 12 months. Not because they did something big, but because every day was almost the same. A lot of time is wasted in small habits, like spending hours on social media without purpose, watching videos again and again, saying, I will start later, overthinking instead of acting, waiting for the right time. The truth is, time is not wasted in one big moment. It is wasted in small moments every single day. And the most dangerous part is this: you don't even notice it happening. You feel like you're still in control, but slowly your goals become weaker and your dreams feel farther away. So this is your reality check. If nothing changes in your daily habits, then nothing will change in your life. But the good news is, you can still fix it. You can still take your time back starting today. Let's move to the next part and understand why people keep wasting another year of their life. Now let's understand an important question. If everyone has the same 24 hours, why do some people grow and improve while others stay stuck? The answer is simple. It is not about time. It is about habits, mindset, and choices. Many people waste another year for a few common reasons. First is laziness and lack of discipline. People know what they should do, but they don't feel like doing it, so they delay it. They say, I will do it later, and later never comes. Second is fear of failure. Some people are afraid to try because they think they will fail. So instead of failing and learning, they choose to do nothing. But doing nothing is also a failure, just a silent one. Third is lack of clear goals. When a person does not know what they want, they waste time easily. They wake up without purpose. They go through the day without direction. Fourth is comfort zone addiction. Many people choose comfort over growth. They prefer easy habits instead of hard work. But growth never happens in comfort. And finally, many people think they have unlimited time. They think life will always give them another chance. But the truth is, we never know what tomorrow brings. So another year gets wasted. Not because life is difficult, but because decisions are delayed. The important thing to understand is this: small daily choices create your future. If your choices stay the same, your life will stay the same. But if your choices change, your whole year can change too. Now let's move forward and understand something very powerful: the real value of 1 year. Now let's slow down for a moment and think clearly. What is 1 year? Many people think 1 year is a long time, but in reality, 1 year passes very fast. You plan in January, and suddenly it is December. So let's understand something powerful. 1 year is enough to completely change your life. Yes, it is true. In 1 year, a person can learn a new skill, start a small business, improve their health and body, build confidence, change their thinking, even change their entire career path. But only if they use their time properly. Think about it like this: if you improve just 1% every day, after 1 year, you will not be the same person anymore. You will be a completely different version of yourself. Many successful people were not successful because of one big moment. They were successful because they used time wisely for many months. Even small daily effort becomes powerful over time. For example, 30 minutes of study every day becomes strong knowledge. 20 minutes of exercise every day becomes a healthy body. 1 hour of skill practice every day becomes a career opportunity. But the opposite is also true. If you waste small time every day, that also becomes your life after 1 year. So the value of 1 year depends on you. It can be your biggest opportunity or your biggest regret. The choice is always in your hands. Now, in the next section, we will talk about something very important: the mindset shift you need to stop wasting time. Now, let's talk about something very important. It is not just about time, it is about mindset, because your mindset controls your actions, and your actions control your life. Most people have a dangerous habit. They think like this: I will start tomorrow. I will do it next week. I will change soon. But the truth is, tomorrow keeps moving forward, and soon never arrives. So the first mindset shift you need is this: stop waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. There is only today. The second mindset shift is stop thinking big. Start acting small. Many people fail because they wait for motivation. They wait for a big plan, a perfect mood, or a strong energy. But real change comes from small actions. Even 10 minutes of effort is better than zero. The third mindset shift is discipline is more important than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel excited. Some days you don't. But discipline means doing what you should do, even when you don't feel like it. The fourth mindset shift is your future is built by daily actions, not big dreams. Dreams are important, but dreams without action are just thoughts. Every small action you take today is building your tomorrow. So ask yourself, what am I doing today that will help my future self? Because if your answer is nothing, then nothing will change. But if your answer is something small, then your life will slowly start to improve. Now let's move to the next part, where we talk about the habits that are silently destroying your time. Now let's talk about one of the biggest problems in everyone's life: laziness and procrastination. Many people know what they should do, but they still do not do it. They wait, they delay, they avoid, and slowly important work keeps getting pushed forward. So how do we fix this? Let's understand it in a simple way. First, use the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I will do this task just for 5 minutes. Do not think about finishing it. Just start it, because once you start, it becomes much easier to continue. Second, break big tasks into small steps. Big tasks feel heavy, so your mind avoids them. But when you break them into small parts, they become simple. For example, instead of saying, I will study all chapter, say, I will read 2 pages. Third, remove pressure of perfection. Many people delay work because they want it to be perfect. But perfection is not required to start. Starting is more important than being perfect. Fourth, give yourself small rewards. After completing a task, give yourself a short break or something small you enjoy. This trains your brain to repeat good habits. Fifth, build discipline, not mood dependence. Do not wait for motivation. Do not wait for the right feeling. Just decide and do it, because action creates motivation, not the other way around. So remember, laziness does not disappear in one day, but every small action weakens it. And every time you choose action over delay, you are taking your life back. Now let's move to the final section where we will end this journey with a strong message and motivation to start today. Now we are at the end of this podcast, and I want to say something very important to you. Time is not waiting for anyone. The year you have today, you will never get it again. Not next year, not in the future, never. So the real question is not, what will I do someday? The real question is, what will I do today? You don't need a perfect life to start. You don't need perfect motivation. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need a decision. A small decision to stop wasting time. A small decision to start one good habit. A small decision to take control of your day. Because life does not change in one big moment. It changes in small daily choices. Maybe you will not change everything in one day, but you can change something today. And that something is enough to start a new direction in your life. So please remember this. Don't wait for another year to pass. Don't wait for another chance. Don't wait for someday. Start now. Start small, but just start. This is Liba, and I hope this message stays with you. Take care of your time, because your time is your life. Thank you for listening. Don't forget, share, and subscribe. Take care, and goodbye.